Hi friends, welcome to last tutorial of control programming under ISA course. In this tutorial we will discuss function block diagram techniques to program the PLC. So for that we need to create new project. I already click on project and select a new file. So let me give the name for this file like DP5. Now go to file, new, function block diagram. In designing project 5, build activity sources, yes. So as you can see here we have so many blocks and grids. If you are not able to see the grids, then you can click on the window, right click on the window and check this view and grid hide grid settings. uh, Suppose your screen look like this, then go to view grids, and so you can see the grids. Let me adjust the window. Okay, so now here we have, this is input and this is output. So this is the, it look like the actual PLC modules. Here is the input module, this is output modules, and we need to put function blocks in this grid, or in this area, in this white area. So let's start with programming. So first we need to define variables. So for that you have to copy this thing. This thing is mentioned in the description, so you can copy it from there or you can type it in the software. So we need all these variable a1, sorry, a b c e f. These all are inputs and y1 and y2 are the outputs. So let me minimize this thing and define all the variables one by one. So insert variable a, variable b, variable c, variable d. Really, d is not here because d is already reserved for some purposes, so that's why we need to define e, and that's what we did. So select e and then select f. Same thing goes with output part. So go to insert variable y1 and then select y2. So here now our input and outputs ports are ready. So now we need to program these inputs in such a way that we will get a desired output. So we'll go to insert function, manufacturer functions, and in that function we will find end boolean function block diagrams. So place that here. Again insert function. Now this time we will use or instead of and. So or function block or boolean function block diagram, and let me take not get as well. Here is the not boolean function block diagram. So here I need to connect A to this port, and then it inverts the value of A and send or sorry generate the output, and which we use as an input for another block. So let's do connection between these two. So select A first and then select this port, and then go to insert connection, and that's it, we done with our first connection. So we need to do the same thing for all these ports or nodes one by one. So let's do it. So our connection is ready. So now let's run this program to check whether it has any error or not. Save all the changes. As we can see, there is no error, so it's good to go online. So select online, select yes, and here we have online. So run the PLC. So right now the everything is off. That means there is no input. That means it's a 0 volt signal. So it's uh, zero, and that's why it's one here, and it indicates with true. But here we have a AND gate. That means if any one of this input is zero, then the output must be false. That means zero, and that's why this output port is set to zero, and there is no output here. So let me change this one B. So when I press this one, at the time sets the value for B variable, and the input to this block is true. So here 1 1, and the output of AND gate is 1. So that's why this LEDs or this output is switched on. Simultaneously we can check for this one also. Here this is the OR gate. So if I switch on any one of the inputs, then output is available. If I on both, then output is still available. So that's it, and this is nothing but the function block technique to program the PLC. This is the very easiest method as per my knowledge, because it involves only blocks, and you need to connect your input and output with blocks and proper logic, and that's it, we done with our control programming tutorial series. I hope you enjoy this series. If you have any doubts or any queries, you can ask me, or you can post on YouTube, so I can try my best to fulfill your requirements, and all the best for your assignments. Goodbye.